Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flexible solar panels for RVs that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to power your off-grid adventures while keeping things lightweight and portable, this list is for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the BougeRV Flexible Solar Panel Waterproof Butyl Rubber Tape. Now, while this isn't a traditional solar panel, it's an essential accessory for anyone planning to install flexible solar panels. This tape is designed to make the installation process simple and effective, offering compatibility with most flexible panels on the market, including BougeRV's own Yuma series. What stands out about this product is its strong adhesion and waterproof design. The butyl rubber tape adheres firmly to smooth, even surfaces like RV roofs or boats, providing a secure and corrosion-resistant installation base. Measuring 32.8 feet in length and 3.98 inches in width, there's enough tape here to install two 100 WT or one 200 WT flexible solar panel. It's ideal for outdoor use, thanks to its water-resistant properties. But note that residue might remain if you decide to remove the panels later. While this product isn't generating power directly, it's a highly valuable addition to any solar setup. Its biggest strength is in its installation convenience and compatibility. However, it's worth mentioning that it's not suitable for irregular or rough surfaces, so keep that in mind. Overall, the BougeRV Butyl Rubber Tape is an excellent choice for those who want a seamless and weatherproof installation for their flexible solar panels. Coming in at number 4, we have the TopUniv 100-watt 12-volt flexible solar panel. This panel offers a solid balance of flexibility and efficiency, making it a great option for RV owners, campers, and boat enthusiasts. It utilizes 9 BB monocrystalline solar cells, delivering an impressive conversion efficiency of up to 23%. That's a significant step up compared to many 5 BB panels, ensuring you get more power packed into a compact design. Weighing just 4.4 pounds and only 0.12 inches thick, this panel is incredibly lightweight and portable. It's easy to install with pre-drilled mounting holes and MC4 connectors, which simplify the setup process. Additionally, the panel's ETFE coating enhances light transmission and durability, while its IP67 rated junction box keeps water and dust at bay. These features make it a reliable choice for outdoor use, even in challenging conditions. On the downside, the TopUniv panel falls slightly short when it comes to reviews, with some users mentioning durability concerns over extended use. However, its high efficiency and affordable price point make it a compelling option for those on a budget. If you're looking for an efficient and lightweight solar panel for your RV or boat, the TopUniv 100-watt is certainly worth considering. Taking the third spot is the Renogy Flexible Solar Panel 100-watt. Renogy is a household name in the solar industry, and this flexible solar panel continues their tradition of quality and innovation. Designed for off-grid applications, the panel is perfect for curved or uneven surfaces, such as RV roofs, boats, and cabins. The panel's ultra-lightweight build is one of its standout features, weighing just 4 pounds. It's 95% thinner than traditional rigid panels, making it ideal for stealthy solar setups. Despite its thin profile, the panel is built to last, with the ability to withstand winds up to 2,400 pounds and snow loads up to 5,400 pounds. The monocrystalline cells offer an efficiency of 15.7%, which is slightly lower than some competitors, but still reliable for most off-grid needs. While the Renogy panel excels in durability and portability, its efficiency might not satisfy users with higher power requirements. Additionally, its price point is higher than some alternatives. However, its proven reputation, robust build quality, and versatility make it a solid choice for RV and marine applications. At number 2, we have the ViewSun Flexible Solar Panel 2PCS 100-watt. This product stands out for its cutting-edge 16 BB monocrystalline cell technology, offering an impressive efficiency of up to 24%. This makes it one of the most efficient options on our list, ensuring you get maximum energy output even in low-light conditions. weighing just under 3 pounds per panel and measuring only 0.078 inches thick. The ViewSun panels are incredibly lightweight and portable. Their fiberglass construction offers excellent durability while maintaining flexibility, with the ability to bend to a 30-degree arc. This makes them a versatile option for curved surfaces like RV roofs, boats, or tents. The IP67 rated waterproofing and built-in bypass diodes ensure reliable performance in harsh outdoor conditions. While the ViewSun panels are slightly more expensive than some competitors, their combination of high efficiency, lightweight design, and robust durability justifies the cost. If you're looking for top-tier performance and don't mind spending a bit more, the ViewSun 2PCS 100W panels are a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the BougeRV Yuma 200-watt CIGS thin-film flexible solar panel. This panel is a game-changer in the world of flexible solar technology, offering unparalleled flexibility and durability. Thanks to its CIGS thin-film solar cells, it can flex up to 360 degrees, making it the most adaptable option on this list. The Yuma panel is not only lightweight at 6.39 pounds, but also incredibly thin, making it easy to handle and install. Its ETFE coating ensures superior light transmission and weather resistance, while the IP68 waterproof rating protects it from rain and moisture. What sets this panel apart is its performance in low-light conditions, where its CIGS technology excels, providing stable power output even when partially shaded. Though it comes at a premium price, the BougeRV Yuma 200-watt panel offers a perfect blend of innovation, durability, and efficiency. It's ideal for RV owners, marine enthusiasts, and anyone looking for long-term, reliable solar power. If you're ready to invest in the best, this is the panel to go for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy camping and stay powered up.